Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by making sure your device and environment are ready. Turn on the screen reader now and set audio to a comfortable level. This prevents missed cues. Once active, place focus on the app or web page. You'll use and try a short exploration gesture or shortcut to hear the top-level UI. This gives you orientation. If you don't hear anything, make sure the reader is enabled and the app is in the foreground before moving on. Now you'll move through content systematically. Use your preferred navigation, arrow keys, swipe gestures, or tab to jump element to element and change granularity when you need finer detail versus a faster overview. When you reach a control, activate it with Enter or the reader's select gesture. Listen for a confirmation tone or speech feedback. If a control doesn't respond, try moving focus away and back, or switch to a direct click mode to ensure you're interacting with the intended element. To complete tasks, submit forms and confirm actions by tabbing to the primary button and activating it. You'll hear a success or error message that tells you what to do next. Make consistent use of headings and landmarks to jump between sections quickly, which saves time. If speech stops or is incorrect, restart the screen reader first, then check audio output and focus. If problems persist, switch browsers or the app briefly. This often resolves compatibility glitches, so you can finish smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.